guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ego Trippin' and your girl is back with another freaking video. I am back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with 2 premium boxes for the month of June from Boxycharm. You guys, those boxes, I don't know, they keep changing the prices. Now it's a $2 handling fee, so I really can't tell y'all exactly what the price is, okay? I'll make sure to put it down in the description box below. But, that was a loud but they come with 6 full-size items, or is it 6? Yeah. They come with 6 full-size items, and you get what you get, and it is what it is. So, I wasn't really feeling these premium boxes, but let me let y'all see. Let me let y'all judge. Let's get on into these boxes. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday if you're not off work. When you get off work, because I just got off of work and I'm ready for the weekend. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of y'all weekend and day, and let's get on into this freaking box, these boxes. Okay, let's get into these boxes. So here's both of the boxes right here, y'all. These 2 premium boxes pretty much had the same thing in them except for a couple items, so I'm not gonna be swatching and doing all of that extra with the extra products in the box. So we're gonna get through these 2 boxes and I'm gonna send you guys on your way. So, you guys do know that they come with the card and they have a theme card every month. The theme for this month is express yourself, because it is Pride Month. So happy Pride Month to all of you. Here is the card right here. And you guys do know that they have the name of the items and the prices on the Bizak. Here's both of the boxes right here. We're gonna just start with one, okay? The first item in this box, y'all, is this Poreless Moisturizer right here, and I did choose this. This is one for $36. This is one for $36. I was very, very excited to get this because I have some huge pores, and I definitely need to get these pores tamed, okay? I need to get these pores under control when I'm wearing my freaking makeup, okay? So here it is right here. It's a glass little jar. Very excited to get this. So this is our first item in our premium box for the month of June, okay? The next item in this box is this Lorac palette right here. I've already taken it out of the case, and it has the shades and colors on the back. Here's this palette. It's a nice neutral palette, very nice neutral palette. Now I did try this. I tried to look yesterday, but I was super tired. I gotta stop really trying to do videos and makeup and doing all of that when I'm exhausted, because it's just not gonna work. I'm not gonna feel anything. But I did feel like I wasn't crazy about the color story from like here on up. Now these shades in here are super pretty, very, very pretty. I'm gonna swatch that one too, but very pretty. As y'all can see, I got some swatches going on, but it's the same thing. Very pretty, okay? Let me wipe the other ones up. The swatches, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Again, very beautiful. I don't know, I like the, I love the shimmer shades in here. I really, really do. We're gonna do this one, and as y'all can see, I already dipped into it. Very pretty. I mean, they definitely showing up. Need I say no more? They're definitely showing up, okay? So it's very pretty. I felt like, I don't know, these, it's just these shades in here. Like, if I would dip off into this palette, it'd be probably using these shades down here below. These are just too light for me. Not my type of colors up in here, like these colors up in here. Just really too light for my skin tone, but these down here I can definitely use. Can definitely use these. Hope y'all can see them. So it's not bad at all. We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna definitely give it a go. We're gonna give it a try before we try to judge, okay? We're gonna give it a go. So that is that. I'm happy to receive that. I am. excuse the house phone. Only people that call me on this damn house phone is solicitors, okay? So I'm not home. So that is the second item in the box, I believe. The item in the premium box for the month of June is this cream blush, and this is by Dominique Cosmetic. And this is going for $22. I'm gonna show y'all a video because I did put some on. Is this the right color? No, I use the orange one. This is like this is in the shade Natural Rose. I use the orange one because I received the orange one of these in my other box that I'm getting ready to show y'all. And the orange one didn't, it showed up. You can see it a little bit, but I kept having to, I built it up. I'm not too sure about this pink one, but here it is right here. It's very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Has a mirror right here. Super, super creamy. Very creamy. Oh yeah, this one is better. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. And I like the orange one too. It's just the orange one was the orange was just a little bit the orange was just light. It's just super like peachy, like a light orange, but you can definitely build it up. And it's really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. You can use a sponge, you can use I use the beauty blender, but I don't know, I just love to use my fingers with this cream blush because I can just kind of like pat it into my skin and move it around better like that. I like the way it melts on my hand, so that's pretty. That is really pretty. I love that. Oh, that's pretty. So that's that. We happy to get this, okay? So again, that is by Dominique Cosmetic, and that's one of her cream blushes. And it's going for $22, very affordable, okay? Our next item in the box is by Sandbar Beauty, and this is the this is an eyeshadow primer. Now, when I seen this, I was like, you know what? No, because I received a palette from Sandbar Beauty. Not that the damn palette was bad, but it wouldn't be something that I picked. I felt like it was overpriced. If the palette was okay, again, it wouldn't be anything that I purchased, but I had got a bad taste in my mouth from Sandbar Beauty. But damn it, this is really some good, and I shouldn't do that. We shouldn't do that. We should not. I should not judge one product from a company. When I went to use this, I really liked it. This is actually my second time using it, and I really, really enjoyed it. So here it is right here. It's not bad at all, y'all. It's really not. For me, it's overpriced, going for $28. I feel like it's there. It's like a. Is it like a cream to powder? It feels like it goes from a cream to powder. I'm not really sure, but let me show y'all again. And you just, I blended it in like that. So it really, and it got kind of a glow to it, but it worked really good, and it kept my damn eyeshadow on all day. So we feeling this. We definitely feeling this. Again, would I purchase this for $28? No, ma'am, but this is what we get these boxes for. So this is the fourth or fifth item. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So this is that, and I did enjoy this. All right, the next item in the box is by Patrick Ta, and I did try this out. It was just a mascara to me. I didn't feel like it was like mind blowing or anything like this. I definitely wanted to try it because it's Patrick Ta, you know what I mean? But y'all gotta remember, just because they have a name like Patrick Ta doesn't mean that the product is always gonna be mind-blowing. And that's in my opinion, but this is it right here. I did use it. Again, I didn't feel like it was, you know what I mean? And I used it just one time. So a mascara is a mascara, I always say, but no, what I always say is that I can go get a mascara from a drugstore and it'll work better than a big name brand mascara, but I can't really get a feel from this mascara quite yet. It does have like a big, nice brush. I mean, I'm sure it works really good, y'all. I don't be off into the mascaras like that quite yet. I just like a good ass working mascara. Although I do like that, I like Addison Rae's mascara. A lot of people didn't like it, but I love that mascara. So I'm happy to get it. We're gonna definitely be giving it a try. So this is the Patrick Ta. Well, let me get the right name. Okay, so this is the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, and this is going for $29, and it's a new brand to Boxy. So we're very happy to receive that. And the last and final item in this box, you guys, is by Seraphine Botanicals. And me and Seraphine Botanicals, we have like a love-hate relationship, okay? We do. This is the lip juice, right? I don't know why I always call these damn things lip juices. Here it is right here. This is it's 100% vegan lip gel, okay? Very pretty color. This is going for $19. And it smells very good. So that's the box. That is our premium box. That is our premium box, the first premium box. So let's dip off into the second premium box really quick. So that is that right there. It's our second premium box for the month of June. Now, we received the same things, you guys. I'm gonna just show y'all very briefly. I received the same things. We got the palette. We got the Patrick Ta mascara right here. We got the Berry Lip Juice right here. We received the Sandbar Beauty Primer right here. And then the only two different things we got, actually one of them is the same. We got the Dominique Cosmetic Blush, and this is in the color Warm Peach. Let me show you guys. So this is in the color Warm Peach right here. Okay, so let me put it right here. It kind of takes some building to do, you guys, like on my cheeks, but it's pretty, very pretty. And then the other item was the Glow Recipe, which I was very happy to receive. So we pretty much got all makeup. We got all makeup in one skincare product. So I can go for that. I can go for those boxes. It's okay. It was okay. I don't know why I'm feeling a certain type of way, but whatever. The boxes was okay. I can't complain. I really can't. That was our premium box, y'all. That was my two premium boxes for the month of June. You guys, let me know what you think about those items. I can't really trip. I think my favorite products in there were actually both of the skincare, believe it or not, and the Dominique Cosmetic Cream Cheek Blush. And maybe the palette. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with those palettes because I'm really, they're pretty. They swatch pretty, but I want to see how they. I gotta go back in it. Like I said, I used it before, but whatever. We're gonna do a video on those palettes, okay? So you guys, let me know what you think about those items. Let me know what you received in your premium box for the month of June, or your base box, whatever you got. And let me know if you've tried any of those items. Let's talk about Sandbar Beauty. What y'all think about Sandbar Beauty? Have you guys received any items from them? Do you guys know them? Let me know. Let's talk down below because I would like to know a little bit more about them. And that's it. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys so much. Please give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. I am Ego Tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all. Have a good weekend. Bye.